Hi, I've just added this new feature called the reader. So if you go to reader, you can actually paste in some text to read. For example, if I go to some website, okay, apparently it's a video actually. Let's just say that I want to read this, okay, and I can go back to my reader, paste it in, and then click start reading. Then I get pinyin annotation for everything I've pasted in. Right? I can hover over any word and check the definitions. If I click on a word, it adds to my saved words. As you can see, it's saved. So I can add 富有, for example. I don't know that. I just keep adding it. 火锅沸腾, 城市 I know. 浓烈刺痛, for example. Once you're done reading, of course you can also hear it pronounced. Once you're done reading, you can go to my saved words. You have a nice vocabulary list where you can export into either the full CSV form or the simple CSV form with only 2 columns for Quizlet. And of course, in your saved words, you can always just click into the word and see the full definition from the dictionary with all the features that I've shown you before. With the mistakes with the common mistakes that people often make with words, for example, 来不及. Oh yeah, by the way, I also added those grammar notes as well. So if you're interested, you can also watch a grammar lesson from our website. With the mistakes, I also now show where the student is from. For example, he's from Japan, speaks 日语, right? You can show pinyin. It tells you what the problem is. For example, it says mistake with word choice, right? So like he's not supposed to say 来不及这个时间, right? It's supposed to be 时间来不及, right? So it's word choice problem. And it tells you that this is a beginner student's mistake. And you can also click on the context and see where this phrase comes from. Like he actually wrote this whole text, right? So with the context button, you can actually see the context of that mistake.